to overcome anxiety is by realizing unity. The whole creation operates as one. And your mind must be part of it. Your body is already part of it, but only your mind operating in separation. As long as you keep that separation alive, you'll always be anxious, always, because this is against what's really happening all around you, in you, beside your mind. So realizing unity is top priority for you to overcome anxiety. How do you realize unity? In reality, your mind is trying to bring you into unity all the time, but it does it in the way it knows how to do. It thinks that's what it knows to do. It reasons. It tries to understand. But as long as that's what it does in order to overcome anxiety, it actually keeps the spiraling happening, just in a different way. And it thinks that it's helped you. Not only that, you think that you are your mind. You are not your mind. You are unity. You are the space observing your mind, but you've forgotten that, and you're identifying with your mind, as if it was you. Only by awakening to the truth that you are not your mind, that same mind that pulls you away from you and presents you a dual reality, me and life, that same mind can heal you. That same mind can bring your awareness inwards and realign you with unity. Pay attention what's happening when you think. Really pay close attention for that. Thinking just happening. Thinking doesn't happen in a split second on its own. When you start to think what's happening, there's a wave of thought, and immediately your awareness is attaching, and immediately your awareness attached to that thought, and off you go. And then that thought leads to another one, and then it creates emotions, and then these emotions spiraling into more thoughts, and then the fire takes place, and you're losing it. And then the fire takes place, and you're losing it, and you're gone. That same mind that's spiraling into thinking can be directed into the effect of those thoughts on your body, on your emotion. So really, to realize unity, you need to direct your mind into your body. And to ask yourself, what do I feel right now? How do I feel? Where do I feel? The minute your mind is being present with those sensations in your body, then healing will start to take place. And by being present with those sensations, by being present with pain, those areas of tension will start to dissolve. And then you're back in harmony, you're back in unity, and all that story of anxiety is gone. Bye-bye. You're welcome to follow meditation, where I'm guiding how to do it step by step. Until then, just be happy. Much love, my friend. Thank you.